Our journey begins amidst vast groves where the finest bay leaves thrive under the sun. Workers carefully select the finest bay leaves by hand, ensuring pristine quality. Freshly harvested, these aromatic bay leaves begin their journey to become a cherished spice. Our journey continues as fresh bay leaves embark on their next stage of transformation. Automated precision begins as raw materials arrive at our state-of-the-art facility. The journey of transformation begins guided by unparalleled automated efficiency. The pure essence of nature embarks on its meticulous journey through modern production. High-resolution cameras meticulously scan every single bay leaf, ensuring only perfection proceeds. Flawless precision automation detects and removes any imperfection with unparalleled speed. Precision air jets remove imperfections, ensuring only the finest bay leaves proceed. Advanced automation guarantees the purity and quality of every batch. From sorting, the bay leaves are ready for a thorough cleanse in the immense washing tumbler. The ozonated water ensures a pristine clean, preparing each leaf for the next stage. Advanced sensors monitor the cleansing, guaranteeing optimal purity. Exiting the powerful wash, the bay leaves are flawlessly clean, ready for their transformation. Next, the damp bay leaves begin their journey through the colossal dehydration tunnel. Inside, precise microwave technology gently removes moisture, preserving their potent aroma. Automated systems ensure consistent drying critical for quality spice production. The leaves traverse the immense tunnel, each section precisely controlled for optimal drying. Advanced sensors continuously adjust conditions, guaranteeing perfect dehydration. Emerging perfectly dried, these bay leaves are now ready for the next stage of spice production.
Fresh bay leaves are deep olive green, elongate
The
oval
delicate
with pointed
drying
tips
process
and a
perfectly
leathery
preserves their unique aroma and vibrant, muted green
Fresh bay
color.
leaves are deep olive green, elongated oval with pointed tips and a leathery
Precision machinery guides the perfectly processed bay leaves to the next stage. The advanced drying process ensures each leaf retains its perfect shape and crispness. Each perfectly dried leaf moves onward, ready to become a premium spice. High-intensity UVC light sterilize the bay leaves, guaranteeing absolute purity. This final step guarantees absolute microbial purity, readying them for use. The advanced machinery ensures every leaf is perfectly purified. Emerging from the chamber, the bay leaves are now completely pure and safe. The brittle bay leaves are introduced into a colossal cryogenic grinding system. Inside the system, extreme cold preserves the leaves' volatile oils. The system ensures consistent particle size for optimal flavor release. Automated mechanisms ensure a continuous and efficient flow of material. The factory worker continues to oversee the sophisticated operation. The cryogenic milling hall operates with pristine efficiency and advanced technology. Liquid nitrogen rapidly freezes the leaves, preserving their potent aroma. The super-cooled leaves are now brittle, ready for precision grinding. Watch as the frozen leaves shatter like glass upon impact. The delicate bay leaf powder is now perfectly refined and ready for use. The journey of bay leaves culminates in a river of fine aromatic powder. Precision engineering guides every grain through the sophisticated system. The bay leaf powder is transported with unwavering consistency and purity. The finely milled powder travels at high speed, preserving its aromatic potency. Advanced sensors monitor the continuous flow, ensuring consistent quality. Purity is paramount, safeguarded by sealed, sterile conduits. The bay leaf powder is delivered to its destination, ready for packaging. Precision stabbing refines bay leaf powder, ensuring unparalleled quality. Different mesh sizes meticulously sort the powder by desired granularity. Each grade of bay leaf powder is meticulously collected for quality and consistency.
When dried for spice, they retain their distinct shape and become a lighter, muted
Advanced
green.
sensors constantly monitor particle size, guaranteeing consistency. Advanced cleaning cycles maintain hygiene and prevent cross-contamination automatically. This precise sieving ensures bay leaf powder meets the highest industry standards. Tons of refined bay leaf powder begin their journey into the colossal ribbon blender, ready for a meticulous mix. Inside the massive machine, a hypnotic, slow-motion dance ensures every particle achieves perfect consistency. A single worker oversees the monumental task, a testament to modern industrial scale and precision. Automated systems guarantee continuous, flawless operation, setting new benchmarks in spice production. The final blend achieved a homogeneous perfection, ready to enrich countless culinary creations. Robotic harvesters meticulously gather fresh bay leaves from vast, sun-drenched fields. Advanced chambers precisely control temperature and humidity, gently preparing the leaves for their transformation into spice. Colossal grinders transform the dried leaves, unlocking their potent aroma and flavor as a fine aromatic spice. Precision robots fill gleaming glass jars with the freshly processed bay leaf spice, ready for final packaging. Advanced volumetric fillers precisely dispense bay leaf powder into each waiting jar. Each jar receives a precise dose, ensuring consistent quality and purity. The filling process is a marvel of engineering, delivering purity and consistency. From filling to sealing, every step is meticulously controlled by advanced automation. Multiple fillers work in perfect concert, a testament to modern industrial efficiency. Each filled jar is a testament to the blend of nature's bounty and technological innovation. Precision machinery springs to life, preparing each jar for its final transformation.